morning, guys. Saving with Shay. I'm here for Target. You'll have to excuse my energy, y'all. I'm so tired. I haven't been getting no sleep. I told you we have a slab leak at home, and the guy was there putting some cement down last night, later than expected, and they'll be back there again in like another hour or so. And so, I'm tired. I need more coffee in my life right now. And as it is, I get up at 2:30. I know I get up at 2:30 to go to the gym. So it's like, and that's going to happen regardless. I don't care how much sleep I get, how little sleep I get. I will be at the gym. Deadass. And so, yeah, that's the first thing I do of every day is workout. But yeah, I'm super, super tired, but we're here. We're here for Target. I have 10 deals to share with y'all today. All of them are food except one. And that's just because I really wanted 10, because 10 is cool. 9 is like 9. You couldn't find one more deal. So we found 10. And the 10th one is for the Febreze plug. There's a free, well, it's a digital that makes it free. Joseph has an offer on his Target app. Spend $1.99, you get a free year membership. So I said, we'll try this time around, because I've gotten that before, but I've never tried it because I don't really do Target all that much. But I said, we'll try. And what better way to accomplish that is to do a lot of the freebies we get through Aisle. What else? Social Nature, We Stock. So that's kind of what we're going to do today. I think I have one that's also on Ibotta and Shopkick as well. But for the most part, everything that we're getting today will all be free. If not a small money maker. Now for Flavor Wiki, we did get the Pringle Mingles offer. I have it for the cheddar one and the pickle one. Now with this one, they want you to get them after a certain expiration date. So I think the green one is after July. I want to say maybe 17th, 26th. And then the cheddar one has to be after October 19th, 2026. And I've only found the 18th. So I may not find that one, but Flavor Wiki, I know there's a reason why you do this. I know, boo. But listen, you're doing too much. You're doing too much. And so, that being said, we're going to head over to Target. So you have awesome deals that we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got, you already know what to do. You already know what to do. Did I stutter when I said that? That was kind of weird. You already know what to do. Hit the like button and keep on watching. All right, y'all. So my allergies are really bad right now. And so I'm really going to try hard to get through this. First deal is on the Be Love. It's priced at $2.11. You'll get that back for aisles. Next up is the So Good So You, priced at $3.49. And for this, we also have a free offer on aisle. All right, this offer here is on a 6-pack of the Blubber water. It's priced at $6.19. You'll get that back, making this absolutely free. Okay, the Benny is priced at $2.79. For this, you want to grab 2. You'll pay $5.58, but you'll get back the price of one for aisle. You'll get back the price for the other one for Social Nature, making them both free. All right, next up is the Rise coffee. It's a mushroom coffee. It's priced at $9.99. We have an offer for aisle for $9.98. It makes it 1 cent. All right, so next up is the Hue. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's actually priced at $7.99. We have a free offer for We Stock. Now for this one, you do have to write a review on the Target website. And so, yeah. All right, so this one here is not a freebie. I just thought I'd toss this deal in. It's on the watermelon water. It's priced at 2 for $6. Getting back $2 on Ibotta, making them only $1 per bottle. All right, next up is the Pringle Mingles. These are on sale, 2 for $5. And then we have $5 for each on Flavor Wiki. There's also 50 cents for each on Ibotta. If it'll make them both a $6 moneymaker. All right, so next up is the Febreze plug. It's priced at $3.49. We have a digital. It auto adjusts itself down to $3.49, making this absolutely free. All right, so I went ahead and grabbed the Silk Milk as well. It's on sale for $1.99. Getting back $1.05 on Ibotta would make this 94 cents. Okay, last but not least, we have the Mock Creamer, priced at $6.49. You'll get that back through Social Nature, There's also 480 kicks on Shopkick, which is $192. And then we have $1 on Ibotta as well, making this a $2.92 moneymaker. Alright, y'all, so here is my complete haul for today. Everything here worked out really, really good. I didn't have any issues. The digital for the Febreze worked perfectly fine. I'm still waiting for a lot of stuff to process though. As far as Isle, the Bennies went through, the Rise went through, and the Sparkling Energy one, that one went through. All the other ones are still processing. And so I'll make this quick. I only had 2 receipts here. And so everything you see here retails $47.32. We just had the one digital for the Febreze, which was $3.49. It brought the total down to $43.83. And then we're getting back $18.37 from Isles, $9.28 from Social Nature, $7.99 from WeStock, $6.19 for the Bubbler. Ibotta is $155, and last but not least, Shopkick was $192. So we walk away with a total of $45.20. It's gonna make everything you see here free plus $137, which is not bad. My sales tax was only 87 cents, and that was just for the Febreze. And so with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button on your way out the door. Let me see some hearts in the comments if you made it to the end. I will see you in the next video.